It is Sunday the 21st of January, and it is time for the Rose Bowl 5K / half marathon. I'm not doing the half marathon, just a 5K. Just sitting here in my car for a moment, just taking in the warmth while I can, and then we're gonna head over to the start line, warm up, and and get that 5K going. I was putting on my bib earlier, and it's a bit chilly out, so, and it's still cloudy. It's supposed to maybe drizzle during the run, so we'll see how that goes. All right, let's find a spot so that we can warm up, get ourselves prepped. Get a decent spot here. Like that. 10 minutes to start.
Here for Kodama-san. Welcome. Good morning. How are you, sir?
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
I think I shaved off a few minutes. from my last 5K. So we will find out in a bit. Luckily, no rain, which is great. Look. And that is the Rose Bowl 5K. Now I was a bit worried in regards to the weather because it was supposed to rain Saturday through Monday, but luckily a lot of it happened overnight and we pretty much just got the clouds and the very cold weather. So I just wore my jacket the whole entire time. The sun did come out a little bit before hiding again, but I'll take that over anything. Seeing everyone out there today was pretty awesome. Seeing everyone do the half marathon and the 5K, all the smiles crossing that finish line on the 50-yard line on the field was pretty cool. I would definitely do it again. Who knows, I may just do the half marathon next time. And I am wearing my finisher shirt, which is pretty nice. It's kind of the same color as the one from the Santa Monica Classic, so I quite like it. Now, of course, what you all came to see, the bling. I did, however, get recognized while I was watching the half marathoners come in. So if you're that person, thank you so much for recognizing me. I truly do appreciate it. I had my hat on, so I wasn't sure if anyone was gonna actually notice, but thank you for watching. And as well as if you do see me around, come up and say hi. And I just got my time results. So I finished this 5K in 34 minutes and 50 seconds. So if I remember correctly, my personal best at the moment was 35:38, which is last September at the Santa Monica Classic. So pretty much I beat my own time by 48 seconds. So this particular 5K is a personal best. So thumbs up for that one. Will I beat this time at the LA Big 5K? We'll see. Now that we've completed this 5K, we are now 2 of 3 in the triple 5K challenge. The first being the Santa Monica Classic last September, then today with this Rose Bowl, and the third one being the LA Big 5K in March, which is the day before the marathon. So that's gonna be pretty fun. And then after completing that, we should be getting a special medal, I believe. So stay tuned for that. And we'll call it here. I'm gonna rest for the day, but thank you so much for spending this race day with me. And I had so much fun seeing everyone out there. Congratulations to all the participants. You guys made it. You guys deserve it. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you like what you see here or feel inspired for your own running journey, why not subscribe and like the video, as it does help and maybe reach others as well to inspire them. And with that, do come back next time as we have more coming up, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.